What if I told you that the secret to dominating YouTube isn't about reinventing the wheel, but reverse engineering the exact blueprints of channels that are already winning? Most creators burn out trying to find their unique voice. They spend months staring at blank pages, guessing at what the algorithm wants, and creating content that goes absolutely nowhere. But the smart ones? The ones quietly scaling massive digital empires? They aren't guessing. They are using AI to ethically model, deconstruct, and clone the DNA of top-tier content. And today, I am giving you the exact step-by-step system to clone any YouTube channel with Gemini, completely for free. We need to clear something up first. We are not talking about typing a lazy prompt like, "Write a YouTube video like Mr. Beast," into a basic chat window. If you do that, you get generic, robotic garbage that nobody wants to watch. What I'm giving you today is a highly engineered state machine protocol. I have built a custom master prompt that forces Google Gemini to stop acting like a chatbot and start acting as a disciplined AI YouTube content engine. It operates on a strict 12-state sequential flow. It doesn't skip ahead, it refuses to give you useless conversational filler, and it only asks for one single input at a time. Let's break down exactly how this engine works. It starts by extracting the core visual identity. In states 1 and 2, the system asks you for your target channel's name and a few screenshots of their profile and banner. Gemini silently analyzes their naming logic, their specific color palettes, typography, and how they signal their target audience. It doesn't just blindly copy them. It outputs a complete branding brief. You get suggested channel name variants, description variants written in that exact source voice, and highly detailed, style-matched AI prompts for your new logo and banner. In under a minute, you have a fully optimized, high-converting channel shell. But a shell means nothing without the engine inside. That is where states 3 to 5 come in. You feed the system 2 or 3 full video transcripts from the channel you want to clone. This is where the absolute magic happens. Gemini rips those transcripts apart to extract their exact style DNA. It doesn't just summarize the video, it breaks down how they write their hooks, their script flow, their sentence rhythm, and their specific emotional triggers. It calculates their exact estimated words per second and maps out the retention techniques they use to keep viewers glued to the screen. Once that style DNA is locked in, we move to state 6, script generation. You give it your own completely original topic, and the system generates a full script that perfectly mimics the pacing, the rhythm, and the emotional flow of your target channel. It is strictly forbidden from using generic YouTube structures, meaning it adheres to the source format flawlessly, even hitting the precise target word count. You get a script that sounds like it was written by a 1 million subscriber creator, but the content is entirely yours. Now, a great script will fail if the visuals are weak. As a creator, you already know the massive retention power of high-quality cinematic visuals and rich 2D illustrations. In state 7, you upload sample video frames from the target channel. Gemini extracts their specific art style, lighting style, camera composition, and general mood to create a master visual style profile. Then, in state 8, it breaks your entire newly generated script down into rapid 3 to 5 second beats. For every single one of those beats, Gemini generates a standalone AI image prompt optimized for that exact visual style. It hands you the camera angle, the lighting, the mood, and the action for every single shot in your video. And if you want to take it to the next level, State 9 will even translate those into highly descriptive motion prompts for AI video generation. Finally, we secure the click. In State 10, you upload their best-performing thumbnails. The engine analyzes their text style, composition, and emotional triggers. It then generates 5 distinct, highly optimized thumbnail concepts for your video, giving you the visual layout, the exact text overlay to use, and the standalone AI prompt to generate the background. When the process is complete, State 12 packages your entire branding brief, style DNA, full script, visual prompts, and thumbnail concepts into one clean, exportable block. This is what true digital leverage looks like. You are turning a free tool like Gemini into an entire automated production studio. You have the exact blueprint to model the most successful creators on the planet. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the window of opportunity won't stay open forever. It is time to stop consuming and start building. Click on the video on the screen. I'll see you there.